हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम लव्य शाह है। मैं आपको आज यूपीएससी रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन दूंगा। फर्स्टली, व्हाट इज यूपीएससी? यूपीएससी इज यूनियन पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन which is taken by the government of India for the government jobs and services. There are four groups listed under UPSC. The main group are the first, Indian Revenue Service IRS, which comes under the finance ministry. Second group is IFS, which is Indian Foreign Service, which comes under foreign ministry. Third group is IAS, Indian Administrative Service, which comes under home ministry. The highest post for IAS is the advisor to Prime Minister of India, and the highest post in IPS is National Security Advisor NSA, which is now Sri Ajit Doval. Then when to start the career for UPSC or the UPSC? I have started since I was 12 years, because when you start at the early age, it will be easier for you to understand all the aspect of this section, and it will be easier for to learn UPSC examination. There are several books which I will tell in the half of the video which books are there for the UPSC, but now we will discuss the syllabus of UPSC. There are 2 preliminary exams, 7 main exams, and 1 interview round. 2 preliminary exams are taken, then 7 main papers, which includes first essay writing, which includes 2 to 50 marks. Second, general studies, which include the heritage, cultural and national heritage of India, then the history of India, etc. Second paper includes governance, integrity, etc. of India. Then third paper includes the international relations and policies with other countries of the world, and biodiversity of world and the society. The fourth paper of general studies include integrity, aptitude and ethics of India. The subtotal of these 7 papers will be 1975. And the last round, which is interview round, it is consists of 275 marks. Its total is 2025 marks. Then, which are the books for IAS examination? There are several books such as for politics, Indian polity, which includes second topic is the physical geography books of India, which is by Go Cheng writer. Then second is Indian polity, which is written by M. Lakshmikant. Third is Indian economics, which is written by Ramesh Singh. These are the books I have started reading now. Later on I will take new books when this will be over. Then when to decide what you have to take? If you are if you are good at fitness, then you should take IPS, and if you are not interested in the police services and interested in administration, or are you good at the administration, then take IAS. And if you are intelligent and you can score higher marks and can be classified into class A, then you can be IRS. Then second rank will be of IFS, then IAS, and last, if you grade some low marks, then you can be IPS. Then it is the most respected job of India. Many students saw dream of being UPSC aspirant, but very few of them can be IAS or IPS or IRS or IFS. I have started studying first the book Indian Polity. It is very excellent book, which is written by M. Lakshmikant by McGraw-Hill. It can be available on Amazon and Flipkart. Then what will be your starting salary and what are the allowances you will get, we will tell you. The first allowance is travel allowance. When you are traveling for business, for the government purpose, one car will be with you. Not use the office car for personal purpose. Get a rent allowance, that is for the house rent where you are living. The government will pay for your house. Then half of the electricity bill will be paid by the government for the official use, and half of the electricity bill you have to pay. then you will at starting today the starting salary is 47,251 rupees. We are living in a country where many boys and girls see the dream of being an IAS or IPS. They should start studying at 17 or 18. If someone decides at the age of 21 or 22 that I have to become IAS, then he can be, but it will be difficult for themselves. They have to study for 20 to 22 hours, and if you want to study easier, then start at the age of 12 or 13. I have started learning for IAS at the age of 12 with a book named Indian Polity, as I have told earlier. Then you will get some HA that are for house allowances. You will get some money for expenditure. You will be provided a car by the government to go office and come back from office. Your schedule for training will be from 5:30 AM you have to wake up, then at the 6 you have to go for exercise or walk, then 6 to 8:30 you go for exercise. Then from 8:30 you will be given a time for horse riding or some gym. Then at 10 o'clock you have to go for the educational lectures. Then at 5 o'clock you are free to do anything, but in the campus only. Then you will taken for Bharat Darshan, which includes all the cultural and heritage places of India. You will be taken at these places, and you have to know about these places, what is the culture there, what are the languages, what is the history of that, etc. Then you are eligible for IAS or IPS. Want to start study for IAS, then it will be good, because at the age of 7 or 7th standard or 10th standard you should start study. You may search IAS books from Amazon and Flipkart, or go to nearest library for studying. And please like, share and comment if you liked the video and information. Stay connected with us. I will provide you more information. Comment me for more information. Thank you. Jai Hind.